Welcome back to the Deep Dive. Today, we're taking a bit of a turn away from software, and we're getting physical.
Quite literally.
Exactly. We're diving into something that's often overlooked, but is, well, it's absolutely essential for modern data infrastructure.
A cable.
A cable. Specifically, the PureLink CX-030 certified CATx cable with TotalWire technology. We're looking at the 30-meter version. Now, it's marketed with this very bold promise, a set-and-forget cabling system.
Right. For mission-critical high-noise environments.
So my question is, what's the secret here? What's the engineering that allows them to promise zero-failure performance?
Well, that's the fascinating part, isn't it? The foundation is, standard Cat6a UTP, but it's that guarantee that changes the game. You're right that Cat6a is rated for 10 gigabit Ethernet, but this cable is designed to deliver that flawlessly.
Flawlessly. And we're talking beyond just this 30-meter length.
Oh, yeah. The specifications ensure it can run 10 GBE up to 330 feet if needed. So this isn't really about capacity, it's all about assurance. Assurance against interference.
Okay, let's unpack that a bit, this idea of guaranteed performance. What kind of demanding applications are we talking about? We're clearly way beyond basic internet connectivity here.
We absolutely are. This is built for just massive bandwidth requirements. Think professional Ultra HD or 4K video feeds, which just flood a network with data.
Okay.
It's also optimized for HD-based extension systems.
And for those who might not know, what exactly is HD-based?
It's the standard that lets you transmit uncompressed video, Ethernet, power, and even control signals all over that one single cable run. When you have that much flowing, plus you're also providing power over Ethernet. I mean, you cannot tolerate a single flicker or a single dropped packet.
Right, which brings us to the environment.
Yeah.
I'm picturing this critical 4K feed running in a data center or maybe a trading floor, and the cable is snaking right next to a giant power conduit. That electromagnetic interference, EMI, that's the real enemy of high-speed data, isn't it?
Yeah.
So how does this TotalWire technology physically stop that?
That is the core innovation. We're dealing with something called the UFTP specification. It stands for Foil Unshielded Twisted Pair. The critical detail is that each of the 4 twisted pairs of copper wires is individually wrapped in its own foil shield.
So it's not just one big shield around the whole bundle.
Exactly. This end-to-end shielding means that internal crosstalk, that's interference within the cable itself, is virtually eliminated, and it stops that external EMI from getting to the data pairs. Even the connector, which is usually the weakest link in any cable, is rugged and shielded.
So if I'm an installer, this sounds, well, more expensive than standard shielded cable. Does that performance difference really justify the extra investment?
It does, but only because the use case dictates the price. This isn't for your home office.
Of course.
This is for environments where failure is measured in monetary loss or even physical risk.
Yeah.
Think about a live, high-resolution surgical camera feed in a hospital.
Or high-frequency trading.
Exactly, where microseconds matter. These cables are all about ensuring system uptime, which is the most valuable thing in government, medical, and financial installations.
So what does all this mean for you, our listener, trying to navigate this? It means that promise of longevity, that zero failure claim, it's backed up by specific objective standards.
That's it. We're talking about ISO IE 11801, which is the international shielding standard, and also NCCIA 568C.2.
And what does that one validate?
That's the commercial standard that confirms the cable's performance ceiling and its electrical characteristics. And importantly for government bids, it's TAA compliant.
Meaning it meets U.S. government purchasing requirements.
It does. So that lifetime warranty isn't just a generous sales offer. It's a commercial guarantee that's built on the engineering certainty of meeting these really rigorous standards.
So to summarize our deep dive, robust, high-performance data transmission, whether you're streaming 4K video or securing financial data, it all depends on this physical infrastructure we often ignore. It's that combination of the UFTP shielding and the verifiable compliance that provides the only real guarantee of uptime.
And here's a final thought. If you just consider the complex technical detail, the specific alloys, the individual foil wraps, all the compliance requirements that go into just one 30-meter cable designed not to fail, it makes you realize the truly staggering level of engineering required for every single component in a massive network to function without a single point of failure. It shows you how fragile, but also how meticulously designed our digital world really is.